Good afternoon, Rafa.
Good afternoon, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine and good. I'm wonderful. How about you?
Nice, I'm really good. Thank you so much. All right, so are you ready for speaking test?
Ready?
Okay. Today we are going to have speaking test about cleaning supplies. Now, look at the picture here. So, what do you use?
I use feather duster.
Do you have feather duster?
Yes, I do.
What is it for?
It is for cleaning dust.
Okay. And then what do you use?
I use broom.
Do you have broom?
Yes, I do.
What is it for?
It is for sweeping the floor.
Okay, so what do you use?
I use trash can.
Do you have trash can?
Yes, I do.
Alright. What do you use?
I use sponge.
Do you have sponge?
Yes, I do.
What is it for?
It is for cleaning dishes.
Washing?
Washing dishes.
Good job. And then what do you use?
I use dustpan.
Do you have dustpan?
Yes, I do.
What is it for?
It is for collecting dirt.
Good job. What do you use?
I use mop.
Oh, do you have mop?
Yes, I do.
What is it for?
It is for mopping the floor.
Okay. What do you use?
I use broomstick.
Do you have broomstick?
Yes, I do.
What is it for?
It is for sweeping the yard.
Okay. Do you have bucket?
Yes, I do.
What is it for?
It is for carrying water.
Okay. What do you use?
I use squeegee.
Do you have squeegee?
Yes, I do.
What is it for?
It is for cleaning window.
Good job. And then what do you use?
I use trash bag.
Do you have trash bag?
Yes, I do.
What is it for?
It is for collecting rubbish.
Good job. And then what do you use?
I use scrub brush.
Do you have scrub brush?
Yes, I do.
What is it for?
It is for scrubbing the floor.
Good job. How about this one? What do you use?
I use glove.
Good job. The last one. What do you use?
I use cleaning cloth.
Do you have cleaning cloth?
Yes, I do.
Alright, good job. Next, Rafa. I have so many pictures here. And then, please, can you take squeegee?
Yes, I do, Miss. Here.
Alright, good job. That's right. It is squeegee. And then, can you take dustpan, please?
Yes, I do, Miss. Here.
Alright, thank you. And then, can you take trash can, please?
Yes, I do, Miss. Here.
Thank you so much. That's right. It is trash can. Okay, next question. What do we use for carrying water?
Bucket.
Bucket. That's nice. And then what do we use for sweeping the floor?
I use broom.
Good job, broom. And then what do we use for cleaning dust?
I use feather duster.
Good job. And then what do we use for protecting hands?
I use glove.
Good job. That's nice. And then thank you for answering all the questions really good. Now let's say goodbye together.
Goodbye.